Hello and welcome to A Sustainable Life. My name's Abigna and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to make a vegan pumpkin spice latte. For those of you who don't know, the pumpkin spice latte at Starbucks cannot be made vegan because the syrup itself contains some sort of dairy or something, so you cannot make it vegan. But at home, you can make it fully customizable with real ingredients, and you know that you're not going to be using any animal derivatives. So the method that I prefer is to heat it up in a little butter warmer or a small pot, to heat basically everything up in that pot first and then blend it all together so it becomes really frothy. But if you have a frother, you can use that, or you can even use a little glass jar with a lid on it and shake it up. So I have my butter warmer here and I'm going to start adding in my milk. Ooh, it got pretty hot already. So I'll add in my pumpkin puree, maple syrup, and vanilla extract, as well as my pumpkin spice and my cinnamon. Now that we have everything going, I'm just gonna quickly whisk it all together. And you just wanna get this warmed up, so you don't want it to be, boiling or anything. I'm actually gonna turn down the heat a little bit because I feel like it's a little too much for it to handle. So let's whisk that all together. If you whisk very vigorously here, you actually don't even really need to blend it all up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off the heat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour my warmed up milk and the milk mixture into the blender. Now I'm going to add my espresso or coffee or whatever you have. There. Let's blend it on up. Smells so yummy. Get that in there. Ooh, so creamy. Now, if you like to add some cinnamon on top, or let's say some coconut whip topping, you can do that. I prefer mine just as is, but it's really good either way. You just give it a little taste. Oh my gosh, tastes like heaven. You can keep the milk mixture in a jar sealed up in the fridge for around 3 or 4 days if you'd like, and just add some coffee in and warm it up on a busy weekday morning. But I prefer to just make it fresh. You can find the ingredients and the measurements on my blog. You can also find a larger recipe for if you want to make it in advance. I hope you have a wonderful fall season ahead, filled with pumpkin spice and everything nice. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'd be forever grateful because I'm just beginning. And if you love pumpkin spice, go ahead and share this recipe with everyone you know. Thanks for joining. Bye.